In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a company in HubSpot CRM. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll share a few tips along the way, so your record is clean and useful from day one. Once you're in your HubSpot portal, look to the left panel and click on CRM. This is where all of your core records live. From there, choose Companies. You're now in the area that stores every organization your team works with. At the top right, click Add Companies, then select Create New. This opens a clean form where you'll build the company record. Think of this as the central profile for that organization. Getting it right here will save you time later. Start by entering the company's domain and company name. Add the domain first if you can. HubSpot often uses the website domain to suggest or autofill details like the logo, address, or other basic information. Using the official domain keeps your database consistent and helps avoid duplicates. Then, type the exact company name as you want it to appear in lists and reports. Next, assign an owner. The owner is the teammate responsible for this account, so choose the person who will follow up, manage communications, or report on this company. Setting the owner now improves accountability and makes filters and dashboards much more accurate. Select the industry and type. These fields make your segmentation and reporting far more powerful. Pick the industry that best matches the company's primary business, and use the type field to label the relationship, for example, prospect, customer, or partner, based on your team's conventions. Fill in the address details, including street, city, state, or region, postal code, and country. Accurate location data supports territory management and helps your team understand the company's geographic context. Add contact info, such as the main phone number and the general email address if you have them. These fields make it easy for anyone on your team to find the right way to reach the company without digging. If your account includes custom properties, complete any that matter for your process, like account tier, lifecycle stage, or renewal date. Keep entries consistent with your team's naming standards. If you're unsure about a field, it's okay to leave it blank rather than guessing. When everything looks good, click Create. HubSpot will generate the company record instantly, and you'll see its profile ready to go. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and set up the right way. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you're creating your next company in HubSpot CRM.